Welcome back, Team Tsiyon, and check out what we have ourselves here as we well, y'all know how rockets work. It may not we ain't got rocket science here, but we got something, yo. Look, hey, when rockets take off, they have to battle the G-forces of planet Earth. You hear me? All right, and that's what we have here. The G-forces of the hedge funds trying to hold us back. And boy, oh boy, right now I'm looking at the launch time, 1 day by 1 minute time frame of AMC Theater. I'll just refer to it as that from now, and the other one as AMC Network, as they are not in the same category, but they do correlate with each other, obviously. So here we have AMC at lunchtime. I was putting down markings trying to see where it was going to have to battle, and I knew that the 615 was going to be a place it was going to have to battle. At lunchtime, it must have just broke through that. I was busy taking care of some other things, but you see how it was getting beat up by selling pressure at first, and the bears were just tearing it up, punch for punch, pound for pound. Not really tearing it up, but they were getting in there trying to make sure that they could get everything out that they could. But we're going to take a look at the market analytics here in a second. Thanks, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and like the video if you do like it. All right, here, looking at the market sentiment, as you can tell of AMC, there was a lot to selling pressure at lunchtime. Take a minute to stop and actually look at the charts, pause it, and actually look at all of the inflow and outflow, the times and sells, obviously, all this stuff like this. Level twos are all going to be there. Right now, I'm looking at the news because I wanted to get eyes on the news, and I think they had not too much posted had changed, but we had 87% on Webull feeling bullish of the Webull platform. So we got a few comments here. Let's look at the look at this. This is AMC Theater, and the comments were kind of wild. It was actually pretty cool going through there, seeing the sentiment, even though everyone's like, it's a stonk. It's a stoink. So, meme stock, it's getting that pressure. I had actually got in before any of this, but whatever. Do more research, do more due diligence. You already know. And right now, I'm going to take a look at the, I forgot what it is, but these are selling positions right here. You can see how heavy some people are above here. Right now, we're about to go over to AMC Network. Right now, we're looking at AMC Network. You see they're holding up at about 55 over that $50 mark call that was called earlier by Morgan Stanley, I believe. You see they're holding up pretty good. I'm showing the level twos with all the buying pressure and all the selling pressure, as well as the MACD, the volume, and all of that. So if you want to take your time to actually stop and take a look at that, you can do that. If you don't understand a lot of that stuff, I might get a video out or something like that. Maybe later, I don't know, leave a like or something, leave a comment, say something about that. There's tons of other financial people out there, tons of investors out there that you can go and look at all that information and understand how all that stuff is moving. All the EMAs and SMAs and all that stuff. So right now, you see how it's moving. You saw it had that little dip, and it had that little dip because of AMC Theaters had that dip that they had. So I want to make that be known that the only reason any of this is down right now is because of COVID, and a lot of this is actually getting taken care of right now. I'm going to go ahead and move on over to the market sentiment and the analytics. You're going to see here through the level twos, the buying and selling pressure still quite even throughout the day. It shows like we're pretty much getting, I feel like they're getting to a peak. They're getting to the future value of what the company's supposed to be worth. So the slowdown of AMC Network might actually, happen here pretty soon. As you can see, 73% bullish here on Webull. Yeah, Casimir Tom still up there. Nice. Hey, but what I'm saying is you're going to see here, like, throughout the comments a lot. The last comment, you're going to see that the news didn't change too much. And the comments did only have that one comment, and there's going to be that little shift. Here you're going to have the analytics and stuff like that. what the analysts are saying. And Webull, they actually have level 2s and all this stuff like that. So Webull's actually pretty cool for information, learning new stuff, and having the information for a beginner trader. All that is there, and your due diligence can actually be done a lot easier through Webull. So no, I'm not affiliated or anything like that with them, obviously. I'm just saying I was able to set a lot of my game up being able to look at them. So thanks, guys. We're gonna move on over to AMC at close. All right, so this is gonna be AMC Network at closing right here. Gonna do a short run through, see how they changed just a little bit, and you see how they leveled right there at closing at really that peak about 555. I honestly think they're at their future value, and I think it's gonna really hold there. We're gonna go ahead and just move over to the analytics here real quick. What you're gonna be able to notice here is now there's a lot of selling pressure on AMC, which it's all right. I mean, it's now at its peak. It's at the point where it's supposed to be valued in the future. So there's not too much more value to squeeze out of AMC Network. And that's what the market is pretty much showing here. You see there's nothing going to change there. And you saw that comment was the last comment made there. So thanks, guys. Here we go. The last 5 minutes of AMC at closing time. This is the theater. This is going to be the last 5 minutes sped up by halftime. If you slow down here at halftime, you should be able to slow it down. You're going to see AMC on the 1 day by 1 minute time frame in live action once I actually get it set up and I start to do the set the trend lines and stuff like that, set the horizontals. Wanted to see it at that 6. As you can see, the nice balance at 6, and you see it rose and just burst past that 615 level from earlier and shot all the way up and is now testing 650. And get ready for this on the 1 day time frame. 1 minute time frame coming up here pretty soon, along with the level 2s. We're gonna do this live action. We're gonna do this live action, boys and girls. Let's see. All right, and let's get it set up. Here we go. Look at the bulls go. Look at the bulls go, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. We have a match here today. Look at the points. Look at the numbers. The bulls absolutely ate it up today. As you see, they're going to push it. They're going to push it actually past that 650 on closing time. Oh, and touch 657. I didn't even notice that earlier. Recording and actually running through the numbers. Wow, look at that. Yo, if you guys see any jackpots running through there, 4-for-4s, 777s, yo, get snapshots and let me know. Let me know what's up, because this is going to the moon. This is a jackpot right here. This is going to the heavens. Yo, you see the pressure here from the bulls, honestly, at closing time, because they know how the market's going. They see how the hedge funds are playing, and they're not gonna lay it back. They're not gonna hold back. They're gonna actually go ahead and buy it up. They're eating it up. I honestly think this is a long squeeze. This is the game that's being played here, especially since a lot of people probably came into this game thinking that, yo, this stock is only hit by this disease and it's gonna go back to normal. And then they figured out, yo, we were getting screwed in the end. So guys, thank you for stopping by. Watch the rest of the video. It's just gonna be the closing, and I honestly think the market's closed now. But you guys have a good day. Like the video, and I'm out.